Hi everyone, welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I'm here to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2023 February-March Paper 2 presentation part. So you are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. So create a presentation of 6 slides using the file M23 Vision. So I will open here PowerPoint and we'll click on other files, then browse, and then we'll go to desktop to open the file as they mention all the files, and we will open the file M23 Vision. That's how it is. So it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 slides. Next step, unless otherwise instructed, the slides must display a title and a bulleted list. So make sure that your name, center number, candidate number appear in the same position on all the slides. So it means we need to click on View and Slide Master, first slide, then Insert, Header and Footer. Just click on the footer here and then include your name, center number and candidate number. So I will include this, my center number and then my candidate number. Apply to all. And then we'll just click on View and Normal View. So I can see my name, center number, candidate number is here. Format the first slide so that a title slide layout is applied with no bullets. So click here and the first slide is this one, then Home and Layout, and apply the layout with something like that. And then the title and subtitle text are center line and in the middle of the slide as they are already in the middle of the slide. Then change the layout of the slide with the title Our Top Performing Students to a title with 2 placeholders side by side. So Our Top Performing Students, this one, and then something with the 2 content. Then after, using the file M23 mark comp.csv, create a vertical bar graph. So we'll just go there and we will open this CSV file to create a vertical bar graph, and then this bar graph should be the average marks for each subject except English for girls and boys. So we want for girls and boys except English. So these are the average mark. Select these ones, insert a vertical bar graph like this, and then after, the subject names in full on the category axis. So we need the subject names on x-axis. So I think so we just need to have the overall. Yes, we need to have for both girls and boys overall, and then after we need to present the graph. So we'll just go as we did earlier. We just simply need to select the boys and girls, their marks, yes, and then click on Insert a Graph. Once the graph is inserted, then what we need to do is we need to have the subject names. So subject names, just click here, right click, select data and edit this area with the subject math, English, design technology and science. So this is how it will look like and click OK. Then let's move forward to the next task. Okay, so as they mentioned here that you need to have the title, this one, just copy and have the chart title. That's all. And then only the data value above each bar. So you just select or just go to chart and then data labels, and it should be on, or we just simply click here, sorry, not data table, data label on the top of each bar. And then after, what we need to do is a legend to identify girls and boys, which is already here. And then after, on the slide with the title our top student performance, place the chart you created in step 29 in the right placeholder. So you just copy this chart from here, go to the presentation and just click here and paste here the graph. The next step is to minimize this one and then format the content of the file M23 prices.csv in the left placeholder. So we'll go to the file prices. This one is the prices file, and then these contents we need at the left side as they mentioned, just like that. So prices, let me just copy this one from here and click here and paste it here. Now these ones are placed here. Make sure like it look like a table. Right now it is just some kind of data, so we need to get it as a table. So in this case you can just simply do one thing, as you are not getting the data, so click on the table and just have a look here. 1 2 3 4 5 rows and 4 columns. So create a table here, 4 columns and 5 rows. Column is created and let it be without any kind of formatting, just like that. And now select the data from here, just copy and place it here. Then you can increase the font size if you want, yeah, and then go to this prices, or you can just select all them together, copy and just paste them. The font size for this one is 24. Select this one and make it 24, or make it maybe 14 is enough. This one also change it to 14. That's done. And then after, they mention here that, let me just close this one, I don't need this at all. Yeah, so the table should be like this. So what I'm going to do is I will just select this one and make it font size bigger, something like 24, center align, and that's it. That we don't need to do anything else. And move this one table here. so that it fill the width of the just like that. And then after that's it, print the slide with the title Our Performing Student as a single full page slide. So in this case, just click here, go to the print option, and then there's an option here, full page slide. Okay, and then you have to mention here, this is our slide, or print all the slides. No, just print the current slide. And then after, you will be asked to print all the handouts with 2 slides per page, each filling half of the page. So it means this time you will select from here 2 slides and then print all the slides just like that. So that's what they ask you to do in this question paper, and that's all from the presentation part of this question paper. So hope you have learned about the presentation, master slide, and creating graph and the other stuff related to the task. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.